Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm just popping by just to show you my Crafty Makes. And yeah, I've really enjoyed, and I'm getting my mojo back. I've really enjoyed making this cute little easel card, and obviously the roses. If you go into my back to basics, you'll be able to see how I've made them. These are flowered. Sorry, these are vellum, obviously stems. And this one, as you can see, is lovely, lovely papers. This is vellum flowers, and I've made a tassel here. These obviously papers. I think it's first edition gardenia paper pad. But the lovely Anne from Positively Crafting, I get a kit from her every month, and this was May's month. So yeah, there are those. I'm still making my butterflies. This was my February kit, I do believe, and I have been making another little bag from the February kit as well, and obviously using my dies. I've used the ribbon that was in there for something else. But yeah, just thought I'd come to say hello and to wish you all well and to thank you for sticking with me and waiting for me to come back on to do crafting. But yeah, hopefully it won't be too long now. So stay safe, everybody, and God bless to you all. And thank you so, so much for sticking with me. Okay, bye for now. God bless.